Well, I guess they started early. Must have started at 11. Alright. First and 10 from the 42 of Columbine.
I knew it! That's a good block. Whoa! Double it up! Double it up! Good beat! Good beat! Let's go!
Third and about 15.
Let's go!
Slippery ball. First down midfield. Second about 10.
That's it, baby Denzel! Way to work, that baby Denzel!
Third and about 9.
Quarterback!
First down.
Run!
Second and about 3 from the 17. And third and about 4. Alright, third and about 7 or 8. Alright, fourth and about 4. Woo! No run downs. Offense starting out inside the 20, dash in the shotgun. I think that's the first straight play they have a fumble on the snap where it's wet and slippery. Second down, ball sitting just outside the 11. Payne gets the carry. Third and about 11 from the 15. Looking deep. Oh! Pumping in. Ooh, barely got that one.
Hey, when it's touched, you jump on it. Small details. Like
15-yard penalty on Chatfield. Puts the ball at the
go, it's your ball, boys.
Looks like second and 12. I'm outside the 25. First down from the 12. Second and 8 from the 10.
Wide to the side.
Alright, third and about 8 from the 10. Flag, whistle. Alright, third and 8 from the 10. Okay. Alright, Columbine has 4th and 7 from about the 10 with 41 seconds left in the first half. What are we doing? Come on. 46 seconds on the clock now. Give them 5 more seconds. 4th and about 7. Come on. From the 10. It's outside. Drop down. Turnover downs. Why is the clock still running? Not that we care. Should want to run it out anyway. I do not understand. I want to get to the shotgun when they fumble so many snaps in the snow. What are we waiting for? First down from the 3. Oh my. Oh. That's a good fake, man. I totally did not expect that. Alright, Chatfield has first down from about the 22. Incomplete pass makes it 2nd and 10 with 19 seconds left in the half. Batted away. Third down and 10. First of all, you don't run out of bounds if you're going to punt it. Second of all, you snap the ball and throw it deep. Less chance of a safety with that. Almost up here. Almost blocked here. And here you have a chance to return. But thankfully, nothing bad happened. 7-0 at halftime.
Go first, baby, let's go!
And Chatfield kicking off to start the second half. Alright, Columbine starts the second half from the 35.
Wrong pass, wrong pass. I think they're just gonna run! There you go. Stop, Kaden!
2nd and 7 from the 38.
Watch pass. Hey, Eli, watch your side. Man, watch her hurry. Run! Get him, get him, get him. Come on, D, come on, D.
First down from the Chatfield 45.
Yeah! Nice, gritty!
Is there something you
First and 15.
Quarterback!
He's got about 7 or 8. Second about 7 from the 42, 43.
Run! Hell yeah, Elon! Good job, Harper! There you go!
Third and about 5.
Run!
Fourth and 1.
Come on, Harper! What are you doing? Let's go!
First and 10 from about the 33. Columbine first down from the 5. Trying to tie the game up. And that makes it 7-6. Columbine going for 2, as expected. Still one score game at 7-6. I think that's Roman and Runyon back deep to receive the kick. They just moved up 10 or 15 yards. It's Roman. Oh, that was a lot of it. Chatfield with first down about the 25.
Come on, Blue, you gotta call that!
Alright, second and 12. I got third about 18 or 19 here. Come on, Owen.
Use the sideline.
I got one picture there.
Get rid of it.
It's like around the 35-ish. Ball spotted at the 35. Chatfield leading 7-6 with 3:20 to go in the third.
Yeah, no, you're not coming up with anything. That'd be a fucking block.
Make it about second level or 12. Second and 12, maybe 13.
Good job.
Makes it third and about 10. Alright, third and 10. What do you think?
No, it's full. Is it? Yeah, it just needs a lot. That kind of
Incomplete.
He's 35. What's his name?
Alright, fourth and 10.
Jackson, back up. Oh wait, no, never mind. I thought they're gonna do that triple option. They might pitch it. Yeah. Get to him!
Scrambling.
There you go.
Gonna run down. Let's go offense.
Hey, O-line! You leave it out there! Gabe! Let's go! Come on! Walk somebody!
First down from the 31. Second and 9. Third and about 11.
Hey, I'm not done yet, Cash! I'm not done yet!
They're load. Good protection. Taking wide open. First down. Good job, Chargers.
Good ball, Cash Williams!
Alright, first down from the Chatfield 46 or 47. Clock starting line, so it's first and 15. First time down from the Columbine 33 with 10:23 to go in the game. In the season.
Come on, offense!
Second about 7 from the Columbine 30. Inside the 20, another first down.
Good first down.
Alright. First down from the 20th, 8:35 to go in the game. Chatfield leading 7-6. Did I say 30 or 20? They're at the 20. Chatfield. Alright, 8:14 to go on the fourth. First and 10 from the Columbine 20 for Chatfield. Oh, that's fun. Fun and cold. Alright, second and 2 from the 12. Chatfield trying to put the nose in the coffin. 7.5 minutes to go, leading 7-6.
Let's go.
Third and 4 from about the 14. 6:36 to go. Chatfield leading 7-6. Here we go. Flag on the play. Penalty makes it third and 9 from about the 19 or 20 yard line. Chatfield up 7-6. Under 6 minutes to go. Oh. Chatfield, 4th and 9 from the 19. Up by 1. 5:48 to go. Intercept the Alright, so it's up to defense to win it. 5:40 to go. 1st and 10 from the 20 for Columbine as they're down by 1.
There it is on tackle! Get low!
Second, about 6 or 7 from 23-24.
There it is, there it is! Get the ball.
Okay, 4:20 to go. Columbine, 1st down from the 132. 1 point game. Chatfield leading. Turn, please. And there's a flag.
That wasn't catchable!
Pass interference makes it 1st down from the 50 with just under 4 minutes to go.
You know, like 2 years ago, we were
Come on, watch the ball!
lined out like in the we were practice, and then we kind of just
Run! There you go.
Game 2 or 3. Alright, second about 6 or 7. Going to the down markers.
Run! Option! Let's go, T!
Alright, situation is 3rd and 7 with 2:28 to go. Chatfield leading by 1.
Tyler, come on.
And whistle, timeout.
the worst team. So my body's like
Hey, sign loud, boys. You gotta get loud here, right? You gotta get loud. Yeah, let's go, D. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Everyone bring it down here.
Alright, 2:20 to go after Columbine. They have 3rd and 7 from the left midfield, down by 1. I'll make it 4th and about 15.
yeah, they're going for it.
Good job, defense.
Desperation time for Columbine, 4th and about 15 here with 2:03 to go. They're down by 1. Just took a big sack.
Let's go, Hairdo!
One good play here to win the game for the Chargers.
Pass! User!
Oh, seriously? Seriously?
Look at this! Both of my
Columbine, 1st down from about the 28, with 1:56 to go.
Go tackle!
Stack up.
Block should be going. It's going.
Second about 7 from the 25. Ball start.
He jumped!
1:23 to go, and it's second and about 5 to 13. Alright, 3rd and about 1. Oh, complete. JD Lee, Columbine 7-6. Timeout. We got 50 seconds to go in the game. Chatfield leads by 1. It's 4th and 1 for Columbine. 4th and 1 for Columbine outside the Chatfield 20. 1 point game. Chatfield trying to hold on for the victory. I think officials marking it as a 1st down across the field. Incomplete pass. All right, 2nd and 10. Clock down at the 23-yard line. 15 seconds to go. Timeout, Chatfield. No, timeout, Columbine. 15 seconds to go. It's 1st and goal for Columbine as they're down by 1. Oh, dude. Jack up. Woo-hoo-hoo. Five seconds on the clock. I thought they were out of timeouts. Guess Columbine called another timeout. All right, here we go. Season finale. That was anticlimactic. Okay, hold on for a second. Oh, there's a flag on the play. There's a flag on the play. I believe that's a holding call. We have no time on the clock. If that's on Columbine, I believe the game's over. Woo! That's game, folks. Chatfield wins 7-6 in the snowball. What are you doing? Okay. I don't know what's going on. Are they saying the game's still going?
I heard the buzzer. It doesn't count for
All right. The clock is at 0. What's going on? What the heck's going on? All right. Clock is at 0. If it's a pony on offense, you don't get another play. Unless they change the rules, it's only on defense. How's that now? I gotta move back a little bit. Watch out, down! Alright, 3rd and down from about the 11. One time down, apparently. Looking the field, they should have that side of the field. Incomplete. So Chatfield wins it 7-6.
Fight song! Fight song!
Yeah, this is a good one though, dude.
CSH! Chatfield Chargers love you. Chatfield Chargers choose to fight with CSH! Shit, man. Good job. That was so dope. Mark's getting out here. Hold on, let me go talk to my coach.